How to rebuild the project. I want to change some code in Shop, like become a seller to become a vendor. Then follow the documentation How to Rebuild Shop. Make sure that your domain name is set in NV file. And make sure that your domain name is set in next. Config. Then run the below command from your Pickbazar, Laravel project root. Enter 1 for REST and 2 for GraphQL. Enter your server username. My server username is Ubuntu. And then server IP and press enter. Wait a moment. It will your project rebuild and uploaded the server. If your server password protected, then enter your password. We don't recommend it auto-script process. If you found any problem, then you can try manual deployment process. Now, refresh the page and you can see latest orders.